Hey guys, it's Diana. Hope you're having a chill day today. So right now I'm just doing a little cleaning around the house and I noticed my TV screen is getting a bit dusty and messy, so I thought I'd quickly wipe it down. Nothing complicated, just a simple little clean with spray and a paper towel. I'll show you how I usually do it. I usually don't spray directly on the TV screen because I don't want too much liquid on it, so instead I spray a little bit onto the paper towel first, just a few small sprays like this. I gently start wiping the screen. I go slowly and lightly, just moving the towel across the screen to pick up dust and little marks. I usually wipe from one side to the other, nice and easy. Nothing too rough. TV screens are pretty sensitive, so I just keep the pressure really soft. If I see any spots or fingerprints, I just go over them again with the towel until they disappear. Sometimes I fold the paper towel a little so it stays clean while I wipe. I just keep going across the screen like this for a moment, making sure everything looks clean and clear, and that's basically it. Super quick, super simple. Alright guys, that's it. Now the screen looks nice and clean again. Sometimes these little cleaning moments just make the whole space feel a bit nicer. Thanks for hanging out with me for a minute. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next video.